SearchPath Midwest, a SearchPath HCS company.
Hi, it's Steve Nahez with SearchPath Midwest, and it's February 28th. Today we received job orders for individuals that have been involved on engine design. This is from the front to the back, top and bottom. And if you have experience at minimum of 2 years, we're looking for engineers with 2 years of experience up to maybe 10, designed portions of engines. We want to talk with you. Email your resume to midwest@searchpath.com. These positions are all located in the greater Detroit metro area. Thanks so much.